Stars are shining in the night. Peacock feathers glow so bright. Silver moon up in the sky. Jungle whispers lullaby. Glow, glow, feathers bright, dancing softly in the night. Slowly spin and twirl around. Magic sparkles on the ground. Fireflies flicker one by one. Night has only just begun. Gentle breeze begins to flow. Watch the peacock's colors glow. Glow, glow, feathers bright, dancing softly in the night. Monkey sleeps upon a tree. Elephant rests peacefully. Little birds with folded wings dream of rainbow-colored things. Moonlight shining calm and slow. Soft blue feathers gently glow. Close your eyes and drift away. Dream till morning brings the day. Glow, glow, feathers bright, dancing dreams all through the night. Peacock bows and says good night. Sleep beneath the starry light. Don't forget to like me, share, like, and subscribe for more fun kids songs and dance rides.